Hi, I'm Scott Leggett from Blue Coast Realty in Sarnia. If you're planning to sell your home, you've probably considered real estate commission. But have you thought about the other hidden costs that can sneak up along the way? Let's break them down and help you plan smart. First, pre-listing improvements. Even small updates like painting, fixing squeaky doors, or boosting curb appeal can add up, but they also help your home sell faster and for more. That investment often pays off. Next is home staging and photography. These tools help your listing stand out and attract buyers. At Blue Coast Realty, we offer access to our in-house stager to save you time and money while making your home look its absolute best. Cleaning and decluttering are also key. A professionally cleaned and organized space feels more inviting and spacious, often leading to higher offers. Then come legal fees. In Ontario, you'll need a real estate lawyer to handle your closing, and that typically runs between $800 and $1,500. Watch out for mortgage discharge penalties. If you're paying off your mortgage early or switching lenders, your bank may charge a fee. It's best to check with them early to avoid the surprises. Next, there are utility adjustments and final bills. You'll need to settle your hydro, gas, water, and taxes, plus account for any credits or outstanding balances at closing. Let's talk about moving costs. Renting a truck or hiring movers can cost hundreds or thousands. That's why Blue Coast Realty offers our clients a complimentary moving truck. And to make things even easier, we've partnered with Big Purple Box Company to offer reusable moving boxes delivered and picked up from your home at a discount rate just for our clients. Lastly, consider holding costs. If your home is on the market longer than expected, or if you're carrying two mortgages for a while, you could be covering extra insurance, maintenance, and utility expenses. At Blue Coast Realty, we guide you through every step, from pre-listing prep to closing, to ensure there are no surprises. Want to sell smart? Let's talk. We'll give you a free home evaluation and a customized checklist to make your sale smooth and cost-effective.